The Anuck Soft Silicone Gel Rubber Bumper Phone Case. If you like tongue twisters, you may want to try saying that 10 or 20 times in a row. That's kind of a mouthful. But this is the case we're going to be going over today. This is for the iPhone XR. If you guys have been following the channel for a while, you know I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is going to be the case that we're going to be using for my wife's phone. I figured I'd do like a mock unboxing today. We've already opened the bag. So this is being sold on Amazon right now, and the price is pretty competitive. It's got like 500 some odd reviews. Very highly ranked, like 4.5 stars. And I figured while we're unboxing this, or unbagging this, I tell you my thoughts and my opinion about it so far. So here we go. So as you could imagine, the unboxing process, it's pretty simple. There's actually a like a Ziploc kind of thing right here. You can do that. I think the bag is pretty easily tearable. So you can just tear it open and the case comes right out. The description of this case says there is an anti-scratch microfiber lining inside, which is right here. This is what's going to go on the back of the phone, and it is very soft to the touch. I would not imagine this causing any scratches to the back of the phone at all. It's, like I said, it's very soft. If you guys take a close look at it, you'll see all the microfibers and stuff. This case is rubber. It feels like rubber, so it may get stuck in your pocket slightly. Trying to take it out, putting it in there, trying to take it out of your pocket. But you're gonna have a nice firm grip in your hand, and I don't think there's gonna be much of a risk of dropping it if you're holding on to it. So let's go ahead and put it on the iPhone XR here. Now, one thing I do like about this case is how easy it is to put on the iPhone XR and how easy it is to take off the iPhone XR. So just put the corners in there, and it snaps in just like that. I actually turned the phone back on while I was doing that, but that's okay. So my wife has a job where she's walking around, she's moving around a lot, and like I said before, with this being rubber, you may run a chance of it catching on your pocket lining. Trying to pull it out may be a little bit difficult. But in her case, she sees that as a pro, because since she's walking around so much, there's not really a risk of it actually falling out or slipping out of her pocket or whatever, because rubber up against most surfaces creates a decent amount of friction. Plenty of room for the speakers right here. Plenty of room for the volume up and down buttons and the power button on the side as well. So this case comes in 13 different colors. This particular color, if you are interested in it, it's stone. It's kind of like a very pale gray. It's not white and it's not gray. It's like a very muted tannish color. The closest thing I have right in front of me to compare it to is this coaster, which it's not the same color, but it matches a little bit. This is a little bit more yellow, but yeah, you guys can kind of get an idea of the color of this. This case is shockproof. I'm not sure up to how far up the ground, but my wife has dropped her phone while in this case, and it's, as you guys can see, it's, just fine. Nothing happened. She didn't even have a screen protector on at the time, and the screen is fine right now. This case, I'm not sure how well you guys can tell on the camera right here, but this case does come off of the front of the camera just slightly, and that's meant to offer some kind of protection to or at least in terms of the description of this product online. And that's to help protect the screen from any kind of impacts or scratches or anything like that. So over the little bit of use that we've had with this case, it's not a fingerprint magnet at all. You can't even see fingerprints on here. It has a very matte finish. Like I said before, it is rubber. And fingerprints aren't really going to show up on rubber at all. The case also doesn't really get dirty. Like you don't really see dirt or anything on it. It may get some lint or stuff you put in your pocket or dust or whatever, but you really can't tell. It stays looking pretty clean most of the time, unless you just pour a bunch of ketchup or something on top of it. Yeah, I don't think you're really going to notice this case looking dirty. We have wiped this case down with Clorox wipes a few times. I'm not sure if that's something that's recommended by the manufacturer, but Clorox wipes don't really have an effect on this at all, other than just cleaning it. The Anuck Soft Silicone Gel Rubber Bumper Phone Case for the iPhone XR. Like I said, a mouthful of a name, but a very good phone case in our opinion. Like I said, we've had it for a while. I've been using it for a while. We like it. If you guys are interested in taking a look at this, I'll link the Amazon link in the description below. Check that out. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit of a short one today. Hope it was informative. Please give it a thumbs up if it was. See you all next time.